first off, we start with an armor stand and a diamond helmet. And then we got ourselves a smooth quartz block. And we need is a piston, which is very valuable for a toilet. And see? And then the next thing you do in creative is you can't put it up here since there's not enough room, so you put it next to it and it works. See? And if you think we're done here, then you're wrong, because you're about to see why we're not done yet. So we need is this so the toilet won't stink. No, we don't have noses in Minecraft, but still, it would be nice for decorations. It's for decorations reasons. And so you do not need it, but it would be nice to decorate it. And so voila, you got yourself a toilet. So clearly anyone who has watched my video, out of all the people who watched my video, only 1.3% have subscribed. And I want to gain to at least 50% of the people who subscribed. So please like and subscribe. Please support my channel. I'll support you back in the way that is most unexpected. Please, really need the help. And look up Rodriguez Studios. Or if you're watching my video, please subscribe. Like and subscribe.